Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time here, kindly do to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. So without too much of your time, let's get right into the video of today. So guys, Kizz is really packing a whole lot of celebrities for this is Cough aka ODO dance challenge, and this time around Kizz got Brainjotter in his studio dancing ODO. And guys, this really cracked me up. I'm going to be playing other footage of some popular celebrities dancing to Kizz, Cough, ODO in this video, so make sure you watch till the end. So without further ado guys, I'm going to play the video clip right now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys towards the end.
Go. Go. I want to flex my love. I want to flex my love. Go. I want to flex my love. I want to flex my love.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and tell me who won in the comment section. I'll do hope to check your comment out. It's been your boy America James here. Until I come your way next time, bye for now.